Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by powering the watch and confirming basics. Turn it on, choose language, and tap through initial prompts. This gets you into setup mode quickly. Once the watch displays the time, open the companion app on your phone and pair via Bluetooth. This syncs settings and alarms. Make sure the watch has sufficient charge and Wi-Fi or phone connection so alarms can update. If asked, allow notifications and location, so the alarm can use Do Not Disturb and silent schedules properly. Next, you'll create and tailor alarms to match your routine. On the watch, open Alarms and tap Add, choose time, set repeat days, and name the alarm so you recognize it quickly. Then pick sound or vibration intensity. If the watch supports gradual wake, enable it for gentler volume increase. Once done, sync changes to the phone app to preserve backup and cross-device control. Make sure Do Not Disturb overrides won't silence it. Adjust priority exceptions so alarms always sound. Finish by testing the alarm and practicing dismissal and snooze gestures so you won't fumble when groggy. Set a quick test alarm for 2 minutes out, confirm sound and haptics, then cancel or save adjustments. Use multiple alarms or smart wake to optimize sleep cycles. If alarms fail to trigger, restart the watch first, verify app permissions and battery saver modes, and repair Bluetooth. Those steps fix most issues. If problems persist, update firmware or factory reset as last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.